Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I want to explain the difference between debt settlement and credit repair. So we'll start off with debt settlement. Debt settlement is when you hire a company to settle your collections. Now, the problem is that when you settle your collections, or even if you were to pay them in full, they still remain on your credit report as a $0 paid collection. And that $0 paid collection still affects your credit scores. So, credit repair is basically you disputing the negative marks on your credit report, you disputing the collections that appear on your credit report. And if you dispute the negative marks on your credit report and the creditor, the collection agency, or the three major credit bureaus cannot verify, cannot prove, the negative mark that you're disputing, then they must delete it from your credit report completely, like it never existed, okay? And when you get an item completely removed from your credit report, your scores are going to increase dramatically. So that is the biggest difference. If you use a debt settlement company or you settle your collections on your own, after you do so, they will remain on your credit report and your scores will not increase. And when you choose to do credit repair, which is disputing the negative marks that appear on your credit report, if they get removed, then they get completely removed from your credit report and your scores will increase. I hope this helps you out. If you need me to further explain this, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you very much.